Do we have a question of the week? Not really.
I didn't pull like one specific question like we normally do, but another question, or a lot of people have been asking me, is like, when are we coming to dot dot dot? Because I realized that a lot of people asked me that last year, and I was like, oh, in 2019 we'll be there, and they're like, it's 2019. What are you gonna be here? So that is something I'm still working on, is my scheduling of when we're traveling, where to. I'm hoping to be in Texas in March. And Steven will be in Vegas land area sometime, hopefully.
I'm going to ASD. I might be going solely for our business, or I might be going for another event that's taking place. So that's kind of up in the air. And then possibly after that, going to California. Kind of the same deal. There might be another event that I am a part of, or I could just be going for our business.
So we don't have a set schedule for any travel quite yet. I'm working on some dates, and Steven's working on some dates of his own. But we do want to remind you guys that we have this awesome crew map. And if everything works, this should pop up. Hey, love it when things work. Let me actually make that a little bigger. All right.
Melinda actually helped us set this up. So
Yeah.
Another reason why we love this community. We've learned a ton from you guys. So that's why we try to continuously bring value here to you guys.
Yeah. So while we don't know our set travel plans for 2019 quite yet, and it will be ever evolving as the year goes on, we want to make sure you guys stay up to date. But even if you look on this crew map, we'd love for you to go and pin yourself to the left. You can't actually see it, but over to the left side.
And you don't have to put your exact address. You can just put the rough area that you are in.
Yeah, over to the left side of this, it will tell you how to pin your area. And like Steven said, you don't have to put, your exact home so people on the internet know exactly where you live. But just putting your area really helps because you can see, if we scroll in, I just think it's cool that we have people overseas watching us as well. But if you scroll into United States, where most of us are, you can see, where you're near to people. So even if you just come on here and be like, oh, I'm in San Diego, there's 4 people in my area, maybe I should reach out to them. And if you put your name, that's, probably the best way to do it. But even if you don't put your name and you just want to post in the group like, hey, I'm in this area, are there people interested in meeting up? You can just see all over the United States, like there are people around each other that are just in this group, which I think is really awesome. So would highly suggest you guys go and check that out, see if anyone's in your area. And I'd love for you guys to pin yourself, because that's the map we're going to be using while we're traveling to, message those people directly and be like, hey, we're coming directly to your area. I'm driving straight through Dallas. Like, I see that you're in Dallas. Would you be interested in grabbing lunch or something?
Hey guys, thanks for checking out this video. My name is Steven. This is my brother Nathaniel. Together we are the Wingman.
If you want to know any more about anything that we've got going on, or just about us, check the links down in the description below.